Paper 3, 2017, November, Edexcel. So question 15 says that show that the equation x cubed plus 7x minus 5 equals 0 has a solution between x equals 0 and x equals 1. So a solution is where it crosses the x-axis. So it's asking to show that between x equals 0 and x equals 1, so that's number 1, either the graph goes like that, or between 0 and 1 the graph goes like that. It's asking to show you that it crosses the x-axis between 0 and 1. So you want to find the value of the graph when x is 0, and you want to find the value of the graph when x is 1. Okay, you want to do that because it's either going to be negative at 0 and positive at 1, so we know it crosses, or it's going to be positive at 0 and negative at 1, so we know it crosses. It's going to be one of them. Okay, so I'm going to use this calculator paper. Okay, so when x equals 0, so when x equals 0, so we're going to do 0 cubed plus 7 times 0. It seems a bit pointless, but I want to show you anyway. Take away 5, it's minus 5. So y equals minus 5. Okay, and when x equals 1, I'm not going to bother typing in the calculator, 1 cubed is 1, plus 7 lots of 1 is 7, so 1 add 7 is 8, take away 5 is 3, so y equals 3. So I can see that it's negative there, and it's positive there, so as y is negative at x equals 0, and positive at x equals 1, there must be a solution between 0 and 1. Okay, everyone seemed relatively okay with B. Nobody asked to go through C, but we need it for part D that somebody went through, so I'm going to go through part C. So starting with x0 is 1, use the iterative formula of x of n plus 1 equals 5 over x of n squared plus 7. 3 times. So we want to find x1, x2 and x3, and we've already been given x0. Okay, so remember what we do. We press 1 and then answer, or equals, sorry. So then we've got a fraction. So we've got 5 over my answer squared plus 7 equals, so that's x1, 0.625. Press equals again, write it all out, 0.67653276696, and x3 is equals again 0.67044830001. Okay, so that will be your marks. You've shown x1, x2 and x3. You've used it 3 times to find an estimate for the solution. So that is our estimate. So that means that we think that the graph crosses, if that's 0, if that's 1, if that's 0.5, we think it crosses at 0.67, so we think it crosses just there. Okay, so part D says to use the result for C, which is why I thought I'd work it out. So it says by substituting your answer to part C into that, comment on the accuracy of your estimate. So I'm going to use answer, I'm going to put it in brackets this time, so answer cubed plus 7 lots of the answer minus 5. Okay, so it should equal 0 because you can see from the previous page it says that this equals 0. Oh, it's just here. So you're finding the solution, okay, where it equals 0. So, I mean, relatively close. So we get that y is minus 0.00549769819. So it's a relatively close estimation, but you know, it's still not spot on, but it's not going to be because we've only done it 3 times. So it's relatively close. If we completed iteration more, it would become more accurate. Okay.